la mer qu'on voit danser le long des golfes clairs a des reflets d'argent, la mer, des reflets changeants sous la pluie. La mer au ciel d'été confond ses blancs moutons avec les anges si purs. La mer, bergère d'azur infinie.
Okay. Hello everybody. So when we were offshore, we got into a little bit of wind and we broke the sheaves on the main sheet for the mizzen mast. So this block right here, the sheave is completely broken inside it, and this one up here is also broken. See, the sheave is completely gone. And I've got white pieces of plastic that shattered so hard that white pieces of plastic went all the way up to the bow. So we're going to replace them with these three. I bought 3 new Harkins. So we're going to start by taking the entire system apart. Here, now you can see what happened to this pulley.
Literally blew apart.
I was wrong. This was actually a Schaefer. This should have been good stuff, but in its defense, it was probably 50 years old. Oh, I didn't drop it in the water. Okay, that was lucky. This one is still in good shape, but it was that sheave that completely broke apart, and this one's looking like it's pretty UV damaged. So we're going to replace it as well. I'm really surprised it didn't fall in the water. And then we have to remove this becket. I guess we'll put the new pulleys on, blocks, in exactly the same order as the old ones. Okay, now
Remember that the horse was on the outside of the rails.
Thank you.
So this has to be that way. This
I don't need to use this quite like this, but I think I'm going to do it because the radius of this is greater than the radius of that. I think it will be better.
You can fit it through.
Oh yeah, I can fit it through. Now the trick will be getting this on there without losing this. These blocks have a little switch to where you turn to swivel or lock, so I'm locking it in place. So that was fun. I'm kind of surprised it didn't fall off into the water, and I'm surprised I didn't drop a pin in the water either. Now we have to go back. I have to safety tie each one of those rings so that we don't lose our shackles. But that's pretty much it.